Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is how to create assessments online using Google Form. You can either go to the Google search engine and search Google Form, and it would be the first result right here or here, or simply just go to docs.google.com/forms. This is the home page for Google Forms. You can choose one of the templates that you already have here, or you can just simply open a blank one. They already have an assessment that you can edit and make your own, or you can just open a blank one. So I'm going to choose to open a blank one, and for example the first thing that I'm going to do is edit the title for the form. Let's say it's a grammar assessment. You can also write a description right here. To add a question, all you have to do is click on this add right here. Let's say that I want to ask the student his name or her name. Over here you have the type of the question or the type of the answer, whether it's a short answer, paragraph. Short answer will not allow the student to write many lines, but paragraph allows the student to explain in details. But the name is a short answer, so I'm going to choose short answer over here. And you can also add pictures. If you don't want the students to leave any question unanswered, you must activate this required here. This will not allow the student to submit the form without answering this question. Let's add another question, and this time we will choose a different type. Click on the plus button right here, and this time it's going to be multiple choice. I'm going to ask them grade or year group. See, I only have one option over here. I can change that to year 3. The more I click, the more it would give me options automatically. Year 4, year 5, and so on. Again, if you don't want them to leave this question without an answer, you must activate this right here. You have plenty of types. You have short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down menu, and so on. Use them for your own benefit. Don't forget that adding images is as well very benefiting. You must get creative with these. If you accidentally add a question and you want that to be removed, just simply click on this button right here. You can allow Google Forms to help you with the marking and the grading. Just simply click on the settings right here and go to quiz and choose to make it a quiz, and it has wonderful options right here. It could give them the grade right immediately after each submission. You can choose to give them the grade later after manual review, and to the students also, you can see which question that they have missed, which answer was correct, and the points that they have got on each and every one. So let's try and save that. So new things have shown. For example, this one, answer key. If you want them to answer year 3, for example, so you have to click on add answer and then click on the correct answer, and over here you can give the points that you want to give. If you want it like 1 point for each question, or you have a very difficult question or a question that deserves more marks, then you can type it right here and just click done. So this form or this assessment basically will be saved on your Gmail account, Google Drive. So don't forget to give this a name right here. The form will be there on your Google Drive, or even the responses and all of the answers one by one will be saved on a file over there. To see that, you need to go to responses. This means that you are accepting responses. People can go to the form and submit their answers immediately, and then you can go and create a spreadsheet for all of the answers. This is very helpful. It will create an Excel sheet with the marks, the answers, the names, and everything. So go ahead and click on that and choose create a new spreadsheet with the name that you want, and then tap on create. One more thing in the question and the type of the questions, that remember that you can always add an image. If you have a lot of text and maybe you don't want to type over here, and maybe the capacity of this field isn't big enough, you can just make a snip tool or just a screenshot from any Microsoft Word or any other document and just end the question from here. Next, how can you create a timer for your assessment? Simply, first you need to go to this website, QuillGo, and then sign in with the same Google account, Gmail account. The minute you sign in, it'll ask you to accept some terms and conditions. Just accept them and do a quick sign up form. Alright, the minute you signed up, it will automatically give you this token, your secure token. All you have to do is copy this one and then go to Google Forms. You'll find the three dots over here, add on, and then click QuillGo and click configure, paste the secure token and click connect. So let's go ahead and do that. Those are the three dots, add-ons, search for QuillGo, and there it is. Let's click on it. Right after that, click install right here and wait for it. Continue. Just be 100% sure that you're using the same exact Gmail account, and then give permission, allow. Now it's being installed. It'll give you a couple of tips. Just click on next. There is one more setup that needs to be done right here. So I'm gonna go back to my form now, and then click here, click on the add-ons. You'll notice that QuillGo timer, it says that it's installed. Alright, now that you have installed the add-on, you'll find it right here. Let's click on it and click on QuillGo timer and proctoring, and then click on configure. Here you get to paste the token that you've taken earlier, that you've copied, and then click on connect. Enable QuillGo for this form. So now the QuillGo add-on is applied to this assessment. When you go back to your own QuillGo, you'll find out that you have fields over here. Now when you get to your assessment right here, you click on your assessment. You can send the test from here or send a public form link from here. The problem is that this is a free version of the service. If you want to configure whatever service that you want, if you want to alter the time for the test, you click on customize right here, the name of your assessment, and it's by default 60 minutes. You cannot alter any of the settings right here because it's a premium plan. Yeah, you need to have a premium plan for that. That is if you want to use the timed assessment. If you don't want to use the timed assessment, you can just go to your Google Forms, the one that you've been working on, and just click on send right here. You can have a link instead of an email because you can't have all the students' email and send them one by one. Maybe you can, who knows, but the link is much more convenient. Just copy the link. You can just click on copy right here and send it to your coordinator or the online system. Well, that is it, and this is how you can create assessments using Google Form and how you can add a timer to that. Thank you.